I am Kiranpreet Kaur from Akkar IELTS, and the essay that I have come up with today was seen on 10th October 2020 in the academic IELTS 1 p.m. slot in India. This essay is essay number 302 from my book IELTS Academic Essays from the Past Exams. This is a discuss essay, and I always tell my students to follow a discuss essay template in which, in the introduction, I make them write that some people say this, whereas other people say that, and in this essay, I'll discuss both, and then my opinion also in the introduction, then one paragraph, body paragraph on opinion of one set of people, the second body paragraph on the opinion of the second set of people, the third body paragraph of my own opinion, and intro and conclusion, which makes up a five para essay. So this is a typical template I ask my students to follow, which I have also followed today in this essay, which I am going to present before you. The topic is: some people think parents should read or tell stories to children, while others think parents need not do that, as children can read books, watch TV or movies by themselves. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people believe that parents should read or tell stories to children, while others believe that children can come to know about stories themselves by reading books or by watching TV or movies. In this essay, I shall discuss both views. I believe that self reading and watching TV and movies themselves can never be compared with a parent reading stories to children. So, after writing in this essay, I shall discuss both views. I have also given my view, which is the former view. I can simply write, I personally side with the former view. That would also be perfectly okay. But I have just expanded my own opinion. There are many reasons why some people believe that parents should read bedtime stories to children. So, this is the topic sentence of one set of people who say that parents should read. To begin with, it encourages family bonding. In this day and age of hectic lives and busy schedules, reading together is a simple and enjoyable way for parents to take time out and focus on the family. Children also feel wanted and loved when parents spend time with them. In addition, uh, it builds listening skills, increases a child's attention span, and develops the ability to concentrate. So this is my view. That this is the view of one set of people who say that parents should read out stories to children. On the other hand, those who opine that children should themselves read stories from books and watch them on TV and movies give their reasons as follows. Firstly, they say that the parents' role should be limited to surrounding their children with books worth reading. When children read books on their own, when children read books on their own, they become much more independent with studies, and this helps them academically as well later on. Secondly, TV programs and movies especially cater to children's stories in audiovisual format, which has a more lasting impact on children. I believe that parents should read out stories to children. The main reason is that this can be started much before children can themselves read. When parents read out stories, children automatically start picking up books and read them. Otherwise, it is very difficult to motivate the children of today to read. Moreover, I consider letting children watch TV all the time as passive parenting, as parents lose control over what their children are picking up from the TV shows. To sum up, it is always better for the parents as well as the children if parents read aloud to the children. This would give them quality time together and loads of other benefits, which I have discussed above. Someone has rightly said that stories are the currency of human contact. So, this is my essay. The plan is very simple: discuss essay, introduction, one side view, other side view, and own view in the three body paragraphs, and then the conclusion. And so, this is the essay which was seen today, that is the 10th of October 2020, 1 p.m. slot. Essay number 302 from my book IELTS Academic Essays from the Past Exams. Thank you very much once again for watching patiently.